So guys, this is a continuation video of the previous one, like emulator. So I'm saying, like, in case of iPad Retina, you want like two of the images will get aligned in a single row and the third image will occupy the whole space. So in order to do that, we use emulator. So this is used to configure our side view on different devices. So like we can configure different cases, like on desktop all the images will be in a single row, and on the iPad we want like two in a row and third in a single row, and on iPhone we want like all the three images one below the above. So we can do that by using the emulator. So let me show you quickly like how can we do that. So I'm doing what, I'm like putting this image and the next one image in the single row. So I will provide the grid system like this. So in total there are 12 grids. So what we can do, we can like put six grids to the previous image and six to the next one, so we can see like both images get aligned to a single row. And we want like this particular image in the full view, so it is like that only. So if I hit the preview button, now you can see on iPad Retina this side will be visible like this. Okay, so you can do like modifications like that. But if in case like you are cleared with the emulator work, so you can proceed further. Let me show you one more, like with by the use of Galaxy S7. So in Galaxy S7, as you can see, it is a small device, so we can't do like if I put two images in a row, then the user might not able to see the images clearly. So it is like automatically a very nice view to see it. But in case you want like so you can do that. Okay. Now let me bring to you the next topic that I want to highlight, that is the edit mode. So inside the edit you can see there are many options, like, so I am going to cover edit, layout, developer mode and time wrap. So what these modes are responsible for, so if I talk about the edit mode, so it enables you to edit the pages. Okay, so you can see like in the many videos we are doing the same. But what happens in the layout, so layout enables you to position the page content within the layout container. So if I select this layout mode, so what happens, let me go to the desktop. Okay, so it is under the layout. So this is the layout, and if I, this is a layout container. Okay, layout container, and you can see all the content is inside the layout container. We can see that by very ease. If I go here, let me go to the edit mode. Yeah, inside the edit mode, if I go to the hierarchy, content hierarchy, so you can see all the structure is inside the layout content. So layout mode is enables you to position the page content within the layout container. Now if I go to the third mode, this is a developer mode. So developer mode enables you to inspect the technical details of the page and its component. So if you want, like, we want to inspect this, so you might using this in Chrome, like by using this inspect. So we can like use these things by using the developer mode. Okay, and here also, like, if I see context hub is there. So what is the context hub, what is the header? So uh, if I hover, let me, my instance is taking time. So this is a vretail header. If I select this, so it is automatically taking you to the like that particular structure. So here you can see all the details like nav, wish card, nav card, navigation. So if I select navigation, then it is going to like pick you on the navigation. If you want to edit that, you can simply click on the edit, and it will take to you this particular node, like where is this navigation HTML is there. So I can see this is the particular HTML that is responsible in order to create this particular classic UI of navigation. Okay, so like you can do anything. Like if I go to the search, this is a particular search. If I want to edit that, so I can simply click on the edit and it will show you the source code of that edit. Okay, so this is how we use the mode of developer. And the last option that I want to highlight to you, that is time wrap. So inside the edit mode there is a time wrap also present. So what time wrap is there, it enables you to quickly review prior page versions by date. So suppose on this particular page, if I if say that you have worked in the previous, like on yesterday or some days back, so what it show you, it show you all the versions one by one. Like if I select the current date, because I am working on this site from today only, so if we see inside the time ramp, let me go to the time ramp. So time ramp viewing as of January 27. So set date, yes, set date. So you can see like we don't have like any versions as of now, but in case we have any versions, then that will show you like how can we see those particular versions. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so here, and there is a one option that is view as published, so we can hit that. So it is simply show you the same thing as you hit on the preview button. Okay, so for this video I think we have covered this topic, and one more thing I want to cover in this particular video only, that is annotation mode. Okay, so if I click on the annotation mode, so annotation mode allow author to provide feedback on the content you create, like any content that we have created, so we can provide the feedback to that. So if I say this is the image, so what I can do, if I hit a plus, after hitting the plus I will select the image like on this is the particular image, and you can like draw a circle. You can let me open that, draw a line like this. So I am providing an annotation inside this. So what annotation I am providing, just hit the plus, and inside that I am providing an annotation like white mountains are very nice to see. Okay, so this is the annotation. So like this we can provide the annotations that like persons can see. And so you can see now there is an option of annotation visible. When we click on that, it is showing the annotation. So this is a particular annotation mode. Okay, so for this video we are covered with this. Let me like continue this tutorial, and we will meet in the next video, and we will see the further details of the area. That's all for this. Thank you guys, and keep sharing and learn the tutorial from the very beginning, because I have covered the topics from very scratch. So if you miss any video in between, so might be you are not able to get anything. So just cover like from the first to the last. Thank you guys.